Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to show you how to check if you have a genuine Windows or cracked Windows. Cracked Windows means you have got this from internet from less money and you had downloaded this from internet. Let's see if you have a cracked Windows or genuine Windows. From this method you can check if you have a cracked Windows or genuine Windows Pro any Windows. Let's go to video. For that, first you have to go to run. For go to run, you can right click on the start button and there you can see run. Then click on it. Then you can go to run. Then search there CMD and click on it, enter. Now you can see this. Now type there slmgr.vbs and put a space and /dli. Now click on enter. If you have a correct Windows, you can see this. It means you had bought this from Microsoft company. This is the correct Windows. If you have a cracked Windows, it means you have bought this from internet for less money. You can see like that one. You can see like that one. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.